What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we are attempting to beat Insane. I know it's not Insane 16, but Insane 16 will take too long. We're just gonna beat Insane in this challenge. We're gonna obviously using the best team comp. Why is this on most trophies? I'm gonna use 8-bit. My brother's gonna use Jesse. We are gonna do the ultimate comp and actually beat the heck out of this game mode. Can we do it? Stick around to find out.
Wait, which star power should I use?
The Among Us one.
Yeah.
Bum, 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 bum. The one that makes Scrappy Shouts bounce is the good one. Scrappy Shots, not Shouts. Alright, so wait. What do you mean screen recording?
I use the Rochi Edgar, obviously, just because yes.
Yeah, Rochi Edgar is just because yes.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shoot.
I use this skin because exclusive.
Because exclusive, actually.
Yeah.
I use this skin because cool looks. Because yes.
Also exclusive.
Like, if you don't know a good answer for a question, just say cause yes. Literally, it's the best comeback.
Yeah, it's
actually, they can't even do it.
It's OP
You do cause yes.
2021.
They say cause no.
Where even
actually,
are the
oh, yes.
robots? They're just running away from us because of our skin.
Because yes.
They're scared of us.
Oh, and by the way, whatever percent that we get is the percent that we get on our test.
Next test.
Oh no, we can't get lower than
100%.
Yeah.
If we get 50%, that's a F.
Oh no. Honestly, we're probably gonna get what if we got 0?
That's an F.
Wait.
It's a Z minus.
That's
It's a Z, yeah.
minus.
0 is a Z minus.
Bro, it isn't even just a regular Z.
It
it's
invents
Z
a whole new grade level.
minus.
Oh, do you have the other star power?
Which
Yes.
one? Oh.
Me?
Use it. It's better.
It is? Okay, I'll use it.
It's better for us.
So when
And
you're in your
solo.
super, you actually do more damage.
Ooh. No. I can't fail another test.
Dude, this pin is actually so
Another?
cracked.
Why did you just tank for the 8-bit turret?
Guys, help. Help. Help.
Oh, no. Okay.
Dude,
Bro,
my 8-bit turret just
we
died.
can't get not 100 on this test. You? No.
Dude, my spinning is so good. Wait, look at my spinning. My skills.
Oh, bro, you're... Oh.
I just missed that whole entire gadget. What the heck?
Versus guys.
Bro, we have the ultimate...
Alright, stage 1 completed! Now it is time for stage numero uno. I don't even know if that's how you pronounce it. Wait, no, numero dos.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys. Now it is time for stage number 2. Numero dos.
Have you played DOS? It's like Uno, but not.
I've never played that game before. I just know that it's stupid. Okay, so
That's even happening.
It's a
I
sad
switched my-
excuse for Uno.
Yeah, it's a sad excuse for Uno. Dos. Some people probably get Dos thinking, hey, this is Uno. They were wrong. It's Dos.
They got scammed because they were blind.
They got scammed.
They have
Blind
reading
test.
dyslexia and read Una.
When you get scammed on the blind test.
Oh, shoot.
When you fail a math test because you're blind.
When you
Your
fail
mama's so blind
when
you
you
can't see.
when you fail a blind test because you're math. When you fail a blind test because you can see.
Your mama's so blind she can't see.
Your mama's so not blind she can see.
Me failing the COVID test on purpose.
Isn't that a good thing though?
Yeah, it is. That's why it's funny. Me getting an A+ on the COVID test so I don't have to try to get an A+ on my math test.
My mom.
My mom? No, she doesn't know.
Wait, I do so much more damage. I used to do only 2,000.
What do you mean only
Confusion.
2,000? Confusion. Confusion, Ninja Ash. Confusion. Hey, they're killing my turret, which is over there for some reason.
Because you put it there.
Oh, okay, let's keep it right there.
Imagine dying.
Ah! No, 97!
My math test!
Our math
No.
test! Oh, F minus!
Bro, Z
Z negative.
It's Z plus because it's like.
Dude, we're getting negative
unsatisfying.
letters. Negative Z plus.
Negative Z minus. Bro.
Negative Z deluxe.
Wait, isn't negative Z just Z minus?
Oh, wait. Yeah. Negative Z is just Z minus.
We just. We're actually we're
That
actually
was
in,
minus
elementary.
Z.
That one moment.
We're actually graded by numbers, and 4 is the max you can get, and we just got negative 8,000.
That one moment when your delay is so good that it's negative, so it shoots your shots before you actually click the button.
What?
It just has aimbot.
Your delay is just like.
Your
God.
difficulty has been lowered because Rihanna's bad.
You're on expert too, though.
No.
Wait, what
We're
are
on
you
insane 5 billion.
Oh.
We already beat Insane 16. We're just helping you.
Yeah, we're just helping you. We're just
Yeah,
helping
Ash
you
has
to
to
get.
clean up the trash.
Bro,
and
but
get you
I've-
the
Yeah,
insane.
we're just picking up the trash. We beat insane
With the Ash.
20, bro. We didn't. No! Oh my god!
Bro, we're gonna fail the math.
We're gonna
test.
fail the math test.
Bro, we've already got like a Z.
Z trillion.
Z. No, that's good.
No!
No, a 96. That's my average score.
Yeah, that's my average too.
If I were smart. But wait, I was about to say good thing I'm not.
Good thing I'm not. Ah!
Ah! Oh, it's the math test. It's geometry.
Geometry is easy.
I meant
What's an acute angle?
It's the tiny
it's the
one.
tiny one. It's the cute one.
It's
It's the one.
large.
It's the one that goes ooh.
It's the one that goes ooh. Ooh woot angle.
And the obese angle is like me.
One time there was this kid at school and I wanted,
This angle.
and he had Talkies and I wanted a Talkie, so he asked for like my social security number and my like credit card number, and I just did a bunch of random numbers and he gave me a Talkie.
Bro, that's
Free Talkie.
Bro,
He act-
that's
I actually did it
bro,
twice.
you're hacking.
2
bro.
free Talkies. I was hacking him.
Bro, you're Wait, did you say different numbers each time? Because if you did,
Yeah. You think he's gonna actually remember to give me a Talkie?
he's gonna be like, bro, those aren't the same ones. You're hacking.
He just owns like 3 houses.
He owns 8 houses.
Oh,
He owns
that's
8
just
Talkies.
one.
He owns 8 houses that look
Bro,
like Talkies.
he owns
So he can
8
really
Talkies.
embrace the flavor, because Talkies gaming is intense, but Talkies
Talkies
are
are
seriously
seriously
intense.
I never got to send the full pin. It's always.
Wait,
just
what
like the
happened? Why
tiger-
can't I exit the matchmaking? Hello? Supercell? Oh, okay, here we go.
Supercell help?
Okay, now we're where we're supposed to. What? My game froze. My game is frozen! Help! Oh. Okay. My
No.
game just froze like twice.
Bro, you're just.
What? Why would
wait,
you
what
kick me? Why would you kick me? Why? Why, bro? Bro, that's actually so toxic, bro.
Just
That's
get
more
ready.
toxic than your mom on a Sunday night, bro. That's actually more toxic than your dad on a Saturday eve afternoon. Wait, what is it?
Bro,
Oh
I
my
met her.
God.
She isn't that bad.
It's 7:54.
Bro, I met her. She isn't that bad.
Last night.
What is even happening?
Your mom is happening.
Bro, wave 2, wave 1 hasn't even happened.
Well, yeah, wave 1. Wave 1 didn't exist. Wave
I don't know how I'm
3.
missing it. It's like in a straight line and I'm missing.
How are you missing,
It's like this.
bro?
It's like this.
What?
Dude,
Would my
wait.
aim be like,
It's like this. Look, I'm about to hit the sniper bot. Oopsie.
I'm about to die.
It's like, oh my gosh, look at me, about to hit this.
We're probably enjoying
Look, I'm about
this
to hit
video
him.
more
I'm
than
about to hit this guy.
We're probably
I
enjoying
had the other-
making this video more than the people are.
No,
No, a
no,
90.
a 94.
Bro, we-
That's practically,
Bro, that's a negative number.
no, that's a whole entire new alphabet.
Bro, it's minus.
We have
minus.
to learn a whole new language just to get a worse grade because of
It's
how
like-
bad 94.
No,
Or
bro, it's
something.
minus in Australian.
Like, guys, I just created a new language, and like it's literally Ooga Booga, which is like the 69th letter in the alphabet.
No, we have an Ooga Booga minus, bro.
We have
Oh
a
my
Ooga Booga.
Ooga
plus.
minus. Ooga Booga.
No, bro, we have a minus in Australian.
You created a new language. It's called Ooga Booga.
I just created a new language, add more alphabet letters just so I can give myself a worse grade.
Dude, my alphabet is actually your mom. My
Well,
alphabet,
your teacher give you
your
a good
mom.
grade for that.
My mind, my body, my mood, my
your
health,
mom.
your mom. Petco.
What?
No, instead of Petco, it should just be your mom.
It should just be pet. It should just be co.
Woof.
It should just be Petco.
Pet.
You know, there was this one tweet that McDonald's made one time. Wait, what happened to the boss? There was no boss.
Oh, no, we probably just beat it with our like Ooga Boogas.
No, but there was this one tweet that McDonald's made a while ago, and it
Oh,
was,
wait, I killed the boss when you guys
and you know what happened in the tweet? You know what it said in the tweet? It just said age is just a number.
Age is just covered.
McDonald. Age is just a number. McDonald's 2021. Riam, get ready.
I'm just upgrading Fang.
Why are you upgrade Fang later? We have a video to make. Seriously, this
I
video.
did have to kick him from the team because he's not using Jesse.
No, please have mercy.
Oh, we've only been recording for 11 minutes, dude. This is gonna be like a record time video, bro.
Oh wait, we're already on Insane.
Insane speedrun. Oh my god, live camera.
Beating Insane and trying to get Insane. No,
At
getting
least one spectator.
beating Insane.
Oh
That's
my
just
god.
gonna be the title of the video.
Bro,
Getting
we have a spectator. Bro, we
have a
Beating
spectator.
Insane with spectator.
Beating
Gameplay.
beating
We gotta go
Insane with
100%.
spec.
We gotta get the A+.
We have to get the A+. We have to get the A+.
We have to get a hunt. We just hack in the more health.
Bro, and if we lose, they're hacking,
Yeah, if we lose, they're actually hacking.
even though they're bots.
One time I actually did get an A+.
Edgar Means be like,
I got
I
an
beat
A+.
every single person I meet except for some people, and they're hacking.
Same, honestly. Bro,
Oh,
that's just
it's like I'm
relatable.
really good. I only get beaten by a few people, and they're just hacking.
I'm good.
Oh no,
I
big
only
boss!
get,
I'm so.
I'm good. I
Oh.
only get beaten by the people who are better.
I only get beaten by my mom.
Oh
Just
my
kidding.
I only get beaten
Just
by my
kidding,
dad.
guys.
It's only my dad. He has the belt, not my mom.
I just realized if you ever get popular,
No, he's gonna do damage with those rockets, bro.
he can't. He cannot.
He's actually breaking the law if he actually deals damage.
He's breaking the law in Austria.
Oh shoot, are they gonna? They're gonna people are gonna 100%, A+. Getting an A+ on Insane.
No. We failed the last two times.
We just actually tanked for that. We just
I also put in the title custom sound effects.
custom sound effects.
No.
We got an F.
Bro.
No.
Edit this
No.
out. Edit this out.
Oh, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. 5 battery remaining.